My name is Mia, and this is my presentation on welding. Welding is an additive manufacturing process where two or more parts are fused together using heat and pressure. Welding started in the Bronze Age, but only started to become welding as we know it today in the 19th century. Welding is usually used on metals and thermoplastics, but it can also be used on wood. A welder inspects objects that need to be welded, welds the objects, and then monitors the welding process. They also have to maintain equipment and machinery. The demand for welders is not drastically high, but it is increasing. There is an estimated 2% overall growth rate for the industry in the next 10 years. As seen in the graph on the right, demand has slowed down since 2019, but is still increasing. Most welders earn $39,000 a year. However, the more experience a welder has, the more they can get paid. Since 2015, the salary for welders have steadily been increasing and does not show signs of stopping, so you can expect the median salary for welders to rise in the future. To be a welder, you need to have a high school diploma and technical training certifications. Most welders are OSHA certified and also have a certified welder designation from the American Welding Society. Other courses that are offered are the American Society of Mechanical Engineering and others. And these courses can be virtual or in person depending on the certification, and the hours and scheduling are flexible. Here are some companies that hire welders. Most welders work in the manufacturing, professional, or construction industry. In conclusion, welding is a popular additive manufacturing process that produces around 400,000 jobs a year. With a median salary of $39,000, welders are tasked with joining parts together using high heat and pressure. This skill can be learned by attending courses and training, but does not require getting a bachelor's degree. In fact, most welders only have high school diplomas. Welding is highly sought out in the manufacturing, automotive, and constructive industries. I chose to research welding because it was one of the first manufacturing fields that I thought of. Additionally, it was a field that I knew little of, which sparked my interest even more. Some of the best aspects of the career are that you get a lot of money and you can work in many different types of industries. One of the worst aspects would be having the patience to weld and the long hours spent working on a single project. The most difficult courses that you would have to take beyond high school to earn the degree in welding would be getting certified for specific types of welding jobs, such as 6G pipe welding or underwater welding. Another manufacturing career that interests me is automation and machine learning. After researching welding careers, I think this career will be pleasantly challenging. However, it does not suit my interests as well as I thought it would. And these are my references.